If you're trying to choose between HubSpot Service Hub versus LiveAgent for your help desk software, you're in the right place. Both offer unique features, but which one is truly the best for managing customer support? Let's dive in and compare their strengths and weaknesses so you can make a more informed decision. First, let's talk about HubSpot Service Hub. This tool is part of HubSpot's broader ecosystem, meaning if you're already using HubSpot for CRM, marketing, or sales, integrating Service Hub can be incredibly seamless. It offers a strong set of features like ticketing, knowledge-based management, and live chat. One of its standout features is the automation of workflows, which can save you a lot of time, but there's a catch. HubSpot's pricing can get pretty expensive as you scale up, and some advanced features are only available on the higher tier plans. Next thing, LiveAgent. This software is designed specifically for customer service and is known for its user-friendly interface. LiveAgent stands out with its multi-channel support, including email, chat, phone, and social media, all integrated into one platform. It also has a solid ticketing system and is priced more affordably compared to HubSpot, especially for small businesses. But the downside here is that the interface can feel a bit cluttered, and some users have mentioned that navigating through certain settings isn't as intuitive as they'd like. The third thing we should consider is integration options. HubSpot's integration options are extensive. It connects smoothly with a wide range of tools, including social media platforms, email, and other apps within the HubSpot ecosystem. However, outside of that, HubSpot doesn't integrate as easily with some niche tools or third-party platforms. On the other hand, LiveAgent offers a lot of integrations too, but it can be more limited compared to HubSpot, especially when it comes to advanced CRM functionalities. Fourth thing, pricing structure. HubSpot's pricing can quickly get steep, especially when you want to unlock all of its premium features. They offer a free tier, but to get the most out of the software, you'll likely need one of their higher tier plans. LiveAgent offers a more flexible pricing structure with a free plan for small teams and a more budget-friendly paid plan that gives access to its core features. But if you're looking for advanced functionality with LiveAgent, you might find the premium tier options to be more limited in comparison to HubSpot. The fifth point, customization and user experience. HubSpot's interface is sleek and easy to navigate, especially if you're familiar with the HubSpot ecosystem. However, if you're looking for deep customization options, you might find it lacking. LiveAgent offers some solid customization options, but as mentioned earlier, its interface can feel a bit cluttered at times. It does offer a better experience for businesses that prefer a lot of options and configurations out of the box. Now, after using both, I'll say that while both HubSpot Service Hub and LiveAgent bring a lot to the table, there's something missing from both of them when it comes to providing a complete, seamless customer service experience for small to mid-sized teams. They both have their strengths, but I personally feel that there's a better alternative if you want a more intuitive, user-friendly help desk solution with even more robust features. That said, the tools mentioned in this video are solid choices, but after trying all of them myself, I believe that if you're looking for a better option for your help desk needs, you should take advantage of the exclusive free trial available through the first link in the description. You'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Don't miss out!